Hey everyone, welcome back to Seaport Mike's Automotive Repair. Welcome to another video. Today we have a 2014 Dodge Charger. We're going to be replacing the rear brake pads on this. Customer complaint that something is like smelling burnt. Something is like smell like something burning, but you know, you can get a brake smell if you slamming on brakes hard, and then go to like smelling like, you know, like wires burning or something. So I had checked it out, and then it comes to be the brakes. As you can see, a big old gap in this shell holder right here. It's a gap, if you can see in the camera. I mean the video. So we're going to be changing the brake pads out with gold. I guess they say these the best brakes. First thing first, what you want to do, jack it up. Safety first. Put it on jack stands or whatnot, however you doing it. What you want to do, you want to pry this brake caliper to you, forward to you. A nice pull, not too hard. You're just pushing this piston back into its bore. That's all you're doing. Okay, next you're going to need a 14 mil socket or ratchet. Break these caliper bolts loose. And of course this one is spin on you, so you have to find something to hold that. Bigger than that, of course. Let's try 17. Nope. Last one, 18. Boom. Just like that. So what you want to do, get the bottom one loosened too. Oh, partner. Feel like they have blue Loctite seal on it, because the bolts is like it's kind of tight when you loosen it. So I think it's blue Loctite from the factory. Okay, so once you get the caliper off, swing it to the side gently, let it hang it. It won't hurt it because it's not heavy at all. And you have these two pads exposed here. They also come with new clips, so I'm gonna show you how to do them too as well. Simply get you a small screwdriver like this and gently pry between the rotor and the brake pad, and they'll come right out like so. Simple. Boom. And lay it down how you took it off, so you won't get confused how to put it back on if it's your first time doing brakes. Same as this one, how you took it off, lay it just straight down on the ground just like that, so you won't you know, put it in wrong. Even though it do go one way, but you know, a lot of people get confused, so that'll help you a lot. And these clips should just pop right out. You do a little prying, help it up, And same with these. What you want to do is see, I don't know where my wire brush is at right now. I had a set, but what you really want to do, you want to get a wire brush and clean. If anybody have access to a wire brush, you want to do is clean and inside these corners, all these grooves and these channels, just clean it real good. But me, I'm gonna use brake cleaner because I don't have the wire brush right now. So brake cleaner will do it just fine. So that's the first clip. Kind of blow it. Use some brake cleaner. That'll work just fine. And the next step you want to do is pull out these slide pins and inspect them and make sure they ain't, they lube good. So what I'm going to do, I want to wipe this old grease off and I'm going to coat it with my new grease. You could buy a can of this from like O'Reilly's, either part store. All those on O'Reilly's, it don't matter. And what you want to do, you want to coat it lightly. You ain't got to put that much on it. Just coat it. Just like that. So the pins will slide easy when on the caliper press. When you slam on brakes or something, yeah, press easily and smooth. Same thing with the other one. Wipe it off clean and do the same. You see, the brakes come with a bag of clips. All you gotta do is simply match it up, just like that. And install a new one, like so. And when you install a new brake, you want to grease the ears, the corners on the brakes like this, so it prevent from squeaking. Well, I don't know why I'm doing that. I still gotta put the other clip in. So pull this one out. Like I say, you can use a screwdriver if it's not coming down, and pry it on it a little bit. Just like that. Install a new one. Sometimes they be bent a little bit. So what you want to do is unbend it if you could with your hand. Really a screwdriver, because your hand, it might cut you. So like that. Now simply just install your new brakes. I hate when I do this, but if you keep trying, it eventually just push right in. Like that. Sometimes you can give it a little tap so it can seat in place. Just like that. Nothing hard. Okay, the next one, same like I was saying, is laying down. If you see it laying down like that, then that's the right way you want to put it on. So just like that, that's how it look laying on the ground. So we're gonna install it like this and make sure you grease the ears just a little bit. The ears, the corners, however y'all want to call it. And what you want to do, you line it up and then boom. Now the next one part is we're gonna have to push this piston back into this bore with the C-clamp. You can get one of these from Harbor Freight. So what I like to do is use one of my old brake pads and place it there and push that piston back into its bore with the C-clamp. Just like a large C-clamp, it works very, very good. Make life easier. Oh. Or you can go just like this. If the caliper don't have a big hole in it, you can just push it with the regular C-clamp arm. I mean the little push button down here. You can just push that piston back in this bore, like so. As you can see, it's going in. Okay, once you get done with pushing your piston back into its bore, go on and put your caliper back on and start your 14mm bolts on each end of the caliper. And go on and tighten it down. Don't over tighten it, just snug it. And of course, you're going to need an 18mm again. Snug it just like that. So yep, that's how you change your brake pads out on any car. This happened to be a 2014 Dodge Charger. So yeah, there you go. Please like, subscribe. If I miss anything, please leave it below. Thanks, and see me on the next. Bye.